Hello everybody, welcome back, and today also we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your chats right there in your Instagram app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that matter, let's go ahead, open our Instagram app right there in your mobile phone. Once your Instagram account is open, you're gonna basically see this kind of home screen of your mobile. Once you do that, you can go ahead up on this message icon, which will be on your top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you will be able to access all of the messages right over here, right? So let's say there is a particular account message or particular message that you would like to delete. So if I tap on this person's profile, so let's say this is the message, right? So if I tap and hold on that message, I have an option called unsent, which will be unsent from the chat box, and that is kind of cool. But we do not have a delete option. You can simply go ahead and send a particular messages if you are bothered by them by going to your chat section. But if you would like to remove all of the chats, let's say we go to this person's profile, tap on this three dot, we have all of these options, which includes remove followers, hide your stories from, you can restrict this person from sending you messages, but you do not have an option where you can go ahead delete all of your chat. For that matter, you can go back and tap and press. Now it's this delete option, right? If you tap on that, this person will be removed from your chat section. Let's say I'll tap on this delete option. You can see the people who messaged you can still see the conversation and can message you again unless you block them. So this person will simply be removed from my chat sections over here, but they can again, access my profile and can send me messages, and it will be there. So unfortunately guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.